Hey guys, Alex and Kylie here with Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today we're going to tell you all you need to know in 90 seconds about the CZ Shadow 2.
Come on, Kylie. Come on. Come on. Yeah. The CZ Shadow 2 is one of my favorite handguns on the market right now. With it being competition ready, this is something you can use in USPSA or IPSC. Now a lot of guys I know are using this in USPSA in the production class, but man, this thing is heavy.
No kidding, Alex. The Glock 17 weighs in around 25 ounces, whereas the CZ Shadow 2 is almost double that weight, weighing in at 46.5 ounces. The CZ Shadow 2 is going to come in two different colors. You're going to be looking at the urban gray with a purplish kind of grip or the black with a blue grip.
Yeah, speaking of grip, now the aluminum grip on this firearm also has a lot of texture to it. Now, it's something that we didn't necessarily notice when we were at the range, but man, they are aggressive, but at the same time, when guys are using them in competitions, they like a little bit of flair. So Kylie, what are some other features you noticed on this firearm?
I noticed that when we took it out to the range and opened the box, the gun does come with three 17+1 magazines and is chambered in 9mm.
Now again, this is a competition ready firearm with a steel frame and a steel slide that has perfect fit and finish. For not being a custom shop firearm, this is pretty impressive. With also a double and single action pull. You have the double action coming in around 10 pounds, but the single action is really smooth around 3.9 pounds.
Some extended features I noticed on the CZ Shadow 2 was the adjustable mag release, also the ambidextrous safety.
Now the ambi safety I thought was really beneficial to me. It's something that was super comfortable that I could lay my thumb on when I was firing. Now it does come with a couple buffers also, which you can watch a YouTube video to find out how to exchange those out. This is made so you can manage your recoil. The CZ Shadow 2 has a cold hammer forged barrel with a length around 4.89 inches. Now this is not going to be a firearm that you're going to want to carry on a daily basis. It is heavy and it's pretty long with an overall length around 8.53 inches.
The CZ Shadow 2 is going to have an MSRP around $12.99.
We should be able to pick this up at any of your local gun shops for around $1,100. Again guys, for a competition ready gun that you can take right out of the box, that is a phenomenal price.
If you haven't already guys, please subscribe to our channel and like our video. And if there's any other firearms you want us to review in 90 seconds, please leave them in the comments below.
Thanks guys.